Hi, it's Greg. It's Choban.
Hi.
We are going to explore the nothing. We are somewhere in Dorval and we have no idea where we're going, but we're going in.
Basically, that's the end of the world.
Or maybe a water plant, an electricity plant, or it's just really the hell itself. So it's been nice. Life was good. It has to end somewhere.
Might be here, might not. Ennél videód még?
Ezért füstölögsz.
Füstöljük, ja.
Choban is already smoking, you see? It's so hot in here.
Entering hell.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Ooh. This is cool. This is long. Listen. It's scary. Let's go in. Let's go until it's completely dark. Here's a ladder. Bye bye. We are exploring the underworld of Dorval. We might end up being at the airport. Nem akarsz elezni?
Hova?
Előre.
Hova?
Hát be a sötétbe. Hát hova máshova? Tudom is én, hogy hova megyünk. We have no idea where we are and we have no idea where we are going, but it's getting colder and it's kind of going downwards. There is some light.
Yeah.
Let's see.
There's some light and there. Mindig nyomod a videót?
Of course. We are in the darkness. Letter. Alright, let's go back.
Let's take a look what's here.
Tolassunk?
Nem megy másképp.
Hát tudunk fordulni szerintem. Forduljunk? It's going back. Actually, it's better than a theme park, and it's for free. Oh, sole mio! It's the lost soul of Venice. It's the Zorro of Venice, who is hidden below Dorval. Oh, sole mio! La, 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 la.
Oh, so
Attıgan Valensa yemek hasalanıyor. Hala hala hala. Hatta hatta hatta. Okay. And we're out. Say bye.
Bye. Adios. Back to life. Back to reality.
Adios amigos.